Hello, I am Lee Chan, the nephew of Aunt Youme who lives in New Zealand. 5 years ago, when I was 16 years old, I was diagnosed with Ankylosing Spondylitis. While my friends were outside running and playing every day, I was in so much pain that I had to stay at home. Wanting to reduce the pain, I spent the past 5 years searching for countless hospitals and treatments, but my condition only got worse. So this January, I decided to go to Korea to receive Yumitherapi. Every time I received the treatment, Yumitherapi was so painful that I screamed a lot and cried a lot. There were more than a few times when I wanted to give up. However, the reason I couldn't give up was because I could see and feel changes in my body every single day. After consistently receiving treatment from Aunt Youme and teacher Jimmy for almost a month, I went back to the hospital to check my inflammation levels, and the numbers dropped from about 4.7 to 0.7. Seeing this, my family and I found hope and have been diligently continuing Yumitherapi to this day. I was able to start exercising again and enjoy many more activities. I sincerely thank Aunt Youme, who created Yumitherapi, and teacher Jimmy, who took care of me every day. If you also don't give up and consistently do Yumitherapi, your body will definitely get better. Thank you.